So here's my new truck camper. It is a Montana Ponderosa. It's a 2007. It's 11 foot long, and if you notice, it has the side door entry instead of the back entry. So I was just going to give you a little tour of the external part of the camper, and then on another video I'll go ahead and do the internal. So it's riding on a 2012 Dodge Ram 3500. So right here I have the front freshwater connection, and I have two, I think they're either 15 or 20 pound propane tanks. As I said, it is a side entry. That's the refrigerator. This is the back. It's got a window, full-length window out the back, ladder up to the top. And one of the nice things about this is the storage that I have. This is my basement, and it pulls out pretty long, so keep your fishing rods and odds and ends. And then the other storage I have, this is where I keep the water hose. Is in there. And it has a 2500 camp power generator. And AC adapter on the out, and a cable, freshwater connection. And this is a sewer flusher, so you can attach a water hose here and it will go back in and clean your black water tank. I've never had an RV that had this, so I'm excited to see how well that works. This is your sewer connections. So your valves are inside there, which I like them being locked up. And this is not a storage. It's just an entry to get to some of your pipes, but it is not a storage compartment. Has the external shower here, water heater. This is your furnace heater and your electrical cord, 30 amp. And then it also came with two 12-volt batteries. It has a solar panel on top. There's the batteries. And I think I'm having some problems with the solar panel, and I may do a video on that and see if y'all can help me out and find out what the problem is. It says it's charging, but it doesn't show that I have any amps coming in. So I'm assuming that either it's not connected properly or my solar panel is bad. But this is the external part of the camper. It has porch lights, which I like. Porch light there, and when I turn the porch light on, that one comes on up there too, and then there's one right here too. So that's really a nice feature. It also came with a nice awning. Doesn't look like that awning's been hardly used at all. Not even so sure if it hadn't been replaced. But just wanted to give you a tour of the external part of my new truck camper. I'm gonna do a separate video on the internal.